Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you all my October favorites. These are products that I recommend because I love them. I cannot stop putting them down. We have makeup, we have a fragrance, skincare, and I even have a bag that I have to share with you guys that I cannot stop wearing. So if you're interested in all things beauty, you already know, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into it. I don't want to talk about how crusty my nails look. I wore these like press-on nails and I swear I've never had such a hard time taking off my press-ons that my nails are so weak. RIP, I'm gonna let them breathe for at least like 2 weeks and then we're gonna jump back on the nail trend. But right now, they're bad. Anyways, let's jump right into skincare because I have two empties that I really needed to share with you guys. First things first, I want to talk about Anua. This is one of my favorite brands. Anua and Mixsoon is like my top choice when it comes to Korean skincare. This is my second time repurchasing these two specific products. This is the Anua Peach Niacin Serum with 70%. And this is the Anua Niacinamide 10% and TXA 4% serum. As you can see, both of them are practically gone. I still have maybe two, maybe three more uses out of this, and this I have a droplet full, so whatever that can get me is as much as I can get. I love these, and for a reason I keep repurchasing them over and over. So let's talk about the Peach 70. So this is going to be perfect for all my girlies that suffer from texture, large pores, excess oily skin, uneven skin tone. This is going to be for you. I did not realize how important niacinamide was in my skincare routine until I started incorporating it. So if you have a lot of texture on your skin, sometimes we have those little like I guess it kind of looks like acne where you have like little bumps but they're not pimples. Try adding niacinamide into your skincare routine, and of course it's going to take time. It's going to take maybe a few months, but you will see results. So I love this one. And if you're a girly that is wanting to just correct your skin from discoloration, hyperpigmentation, if you have just little manchitas, or if you have post-acne scarring, the niacinamide 10% with TXA 4% serum is specifically made for dark spots. I love this serum so much. I'm currently using a little like device that I am working with like all like my little manchitas that I have on my skin, and I'm slowly seeing results. But it's one of those things that you really have to like take your time and invest into it. But these just help elevate all of that. I love these so much, and I get everything on Amazon. This is a highlight of my October beauty favorites, okay? This is the Mixsoon Bean Cream, and it is a K-beauty moisturizer, or Korean beauty moisturizer that deeply hydrates and nourishes the skin. It has botanicals, it has fermented ingredients in here to really ump, to really fuel, to really amp up that hydration that our skin is so thirsty for. It just really gives you that like deep hydration without being heavy, which is exactly why I always go back to it, because this stuff is unlike anything else. As an oily skin girly, I need something that's going to deeply hydrate my skin but without clogging my pores and without being heavy. And also, I am 35, so I always need to just keep my skin looking as smooth, youthful, and hydrated as possible. Then yesterday, I ran to Ulta because I ran out of all my cleansing oils. I have tried so many, and the one that I always go back to is this one from Anua. This is the Heartleaf Vitamin E Control Cleansing Oil, or Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil. Usually I would buy it from Amazon. It is a little cheaper on Amazon than it is at Ulta, but I was desperate and I needed something because I cannot remove my makeup just like that, I have to use a cleansing oil. This is going to go deep into your pores and cleanse your skin. If you have a lot of impurities, it's going to remove all those impurities, dirt, oil, buildup, SPF, whatever you put on your skin. This is going to go deep into your pores without clogging it and extracting everything out. I love this stuff. A little goes a long way. I usually just use one pump and that gets rid of all my makeup. And then once you add water, it turns into this really nice like milky consistency. I don't know, I just love this, and it doesn't strip your skin, which is something that I was kind of like not loving about my other cleansing oils. So again, Korean skincare products, K-Beauty is where it's at. So that is everything for skincare. Let's move on to body sprays slash fragrances. There's two that have been just on heavy rotation, and I keep them in my purse because I like to just smell good all day, especially when I'm out and about. And this is a purse that I'm going to mention to you guys in just a minute. These two, oh my gosh, if I could smell like this all year round, I would. But I feel like these are very cozy fall vibes, like winter vibes. So the first one is the Victoria's Secret Bare Suede Vanilla, and I just wanted to pull up the website to kind of give you some ideas on how it smells. And this is described as, or it smells, what? This is described as a vanilla woody. The notes are wild saffron, creamy sandalwood, and vanilla musk. Oh my goodness. I wore this today. I had a meeting with like the moms club that I joined, and at least two ladies, she was like, is that you? I don't ever like to be like, yeah, that's me. I smell good, right? Oh my gosh, I just inhaled that. I was like, maybe. And then I kind of leaned in so she can smell me, and she was like, what are you wearing? You smell so good. So I showed her because again, it was in my purse. Then of course, the new Rare Beauty perfume. Oh, I love this so much. Like, look at how much I've used of it, because I keep this in my purse and I just been reaching for it every single day. Both of these are just very cozy, very warm, very fall appropriate. Can't say enough about them. I just quickly wanted to share with you the purse that I've been using a lot. I kind of am back into like the big purse vibe right now. I don't know, but I fell in love with this purse immediately. This is by the brand Coach. I am in my Coach mom era, okay? Do not even judge me. I fell in love with this purse the moment that I saw it. They had it on sale for, I think it was like $210, $220 compared to its original price, which is a little over $500. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get that. And I don't regret it. It is an oversized bag. I will have the name here because I don't remember off the top of my head, but it is so, like, it's a perfect satchel bag because it's not too big, but it's big enough where you can fit just about anything. You can wear it on the shoulders, or you can wear it across your body, which I think it's a little too heavy, at least what I carry, to carry across your body. But look at how much it fits. And I do carry a lot of things in here. I literally have a whole makeup bag in here, which I don't need to carry that much makeup. I usually don't. And then I have my obnoxious keys in here. I have my wallet, and then I have my glasses, which I've been carrying glasses with me now. That's when you know you're getting old, that you have to carry your glasses with you. And then I carry a little mini lotion with me just because my hands get dry sometimes. Some sunglasses, some more sunglasses, and then some random papers that I probably need to throw away. But oh my gosh, this purse, I've been obsessed with it. Like, I am so happy with it. Again, the size is perfect. Coach is really great quality, and it's still like budget friendly. You're not, you know, spending thousands of dollars. Last but not least are some makeup products that I genuinely reach for a ton. that made sense in my head, like, oh my gosh, I'm using these a lot. Okay, let me mention them. First, the Charlotte Tilbury, oh my gosh, Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. The matte blur, my goodness, I am so happy that I bought this, that I picked it up, and that I gave it a try, because this is probably the only matte setting spray that has truly kept me matte, besides the One Size setting spray, but that's like hairspray. This is different. So I love this. It is oily skin girl approved. If you want to make it extra matte, spray your face in between layers as you're doing your makeup, and I promise it'll make a huge difference. But I've just been using it as a last step, and it really seals the deal. You guys have seen me talk about this over and over and over and over again. The Catrice Under Eye Brightener Instant Awake in the shade Medium. Warm nude, sorry. Oh my gosh, best thing I have ever discovered in the past like 2 months. I know I'm gonna finish this for a fact, and I'm gonna hit pan very, very soon. This will make such a difference underneath your eyes. If you are wanting something like quick and easy, you're not really wanting to deal with like corrector and concealer, just use this, powder it, and you will look so bright and awake. I've been using this one, not this one in specific, but I have one in my makeup kit, and every time I use it on my clients, they're like, what did you do? How did you get my under eyes to look so bright? And I tell them I use a color corrector, and that's going to make a huge difference. So if you suffer from darkness underneath your eyes, or maybe you didn't get enough sleep the night before and you're wanting a little extra something, try this, you guys. You will not regret it. It's only a few dollars because it's Catrice. And then for my foundation, surprisingly, this is the foundation that I reach for the most. This is the go-to foundation that I've been using pretty much every day, the days that I don't film and I like to, you know, look a little put together. I've been using this so much. It is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Gel Tint in the shade number 8. Wow, I am so surprised that I love this. One, it is hydrating, and two, it is a grip gel tint, but it does exactly that. It's going to give you the most beautiful, dewy, luminous, juicy looking skin you will ever see. So if you're dry skin, you can probably get away with not really setting. For me, that I'm oily, I have to set my skin, but my skin looks so beautiful, and you would never think that I was wearing a skin tint. The best thing is that this is like a version of the hydrating gripping primer that they have, and a foundation. Like if they both got together, they had a baby, this is it. This is it. It is so good. It is medium to, I want to say, like buildable, if not full coverage. It is really good. So like, it's just laughing out loud. I really like this. That's all I have to say. Is I like how it looks, I like how it wears, and I like how it feels. Just need to mattify my skin a little bit because it is pretty hydrating. If you're looking for the perfect blush for the winter / fall, this is it, okay? I've been using this so much, pretty much on a daily basis. This is the She Glam Devoted Color Bloom Liquid Blush. Again, these are products that I keep downstairs in my vanity. Oh my goodness, this is a color that I usually wouldn't gravitate towards, but it just gives me the most beautiful, like, flush look to my skin. I don't know, I feel like it really complements my, like, tan skin tones. And then I top it off with the ColourPop Just Cruisin' Blush. So pretty. Like, tell me these are not a match made in heaven. They look so good together, and I just cannot stop pairing them because they really do complement one another. Talking about a bright under eye, the Fenty Beauty Bright Powder in the shade Banana has also been my new go-to. If you guys didn't see my Sephora haul, I will link it here or in the comments or somewhere. Watch that, but I talked about this and then I tried it, and I have not been able to put it down. It's what I'm wearing right now. It just gives you that really pretty, bright, like inner corner, wide awake look. If you're feeling and looking tired, try this. They have a few shades, but the banana one's my favorite. And last but not least is a lip combo that I'm sure you guys have seen me or noticed that I've been using a ton. The lip liner is the Profusion Cozy Chai lip liner. Oh my gosh, this is like the perfect fall lip liner. It's like a mix in between like brown and mauve. It's the one I'm wearing right now. It is genuinely so pretty. It is very creamy. It's not going to last too long because it is more on the creamy side versus a matte lip liner that's going to like have a nice dry down, but I don't mind reapplying it. And then I've been loving the Fenty Glow. What are these? The High Shine glosses. This one is in Fenty Glow. It is so pretty. Again, it's what I'm wearing on my lips right now. This all over with the Chai lip liner pairs so well. But if you want something a little more pink, then go for the YSL Rouge Shine lipstick. Yeah, it's like a little lipstick. I don't know. I think this is in the shade 44, but it's a really pretty soft baby, like a baby pink. It just adds the most beautiful high shine. Like if you want your lips to look juicy, if you want your lips to look juicy, these are the products you want to be reaching for. Both of these are going to give you very similar effects, and they just look amazing on the lips, and yeah, they're very hydrating as well. Those are all my October favorites. These are products that I was obsessed with. Let me know what products you were loving in the month of October so I can try them out too. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!